Gobekli Tepe is dated to around 12,000 years old and translates as pot-bellied hill. It does, however, have an ancient Armenian namesake, Port Asar, which translates directly as the umbilical of Osiris. The oldest temple construction in ancient Egypt is the Osireion, which is also suggested to be dated to around the same epoch. The distance between these two sites is 864 miles, and the sun's diameter is around 864,000 miles. The midpoint between these two sites is 432 miles and is located at Temple Mount, also known as the Navel of the World, Solomon's Temple, Luz, and Pineal. There are 86,400 seconds in a solar day and 43,200 seconds of daylight during the equinox. 432 multiplied by 432 is equal to 186,400, and light travels at 186,400 miles per second. Even more astonishing, however, Luz translates as light, and the pineal is the light receptor of the body. Searching for Osiris is available via Amazon. I'm RN Vooght.